Hello guys, this is Malika's from Malika's Creation, and today I'm going to be sharing with y'all some concepts that I made with the fudge brownies, the cocoa and the mugs and some, and then just the oven mitts and the mixes, some icing and a spatula and the other one, and then just the other one just decorated a different kind of way. Guys, this has not been the day for me to be recording. I am so frustrated, but I'm not the one to give up. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So let's jump right on in with these concepts that I have created that I wanted to share with y'all. The first one right here is my favorite. It comes with two of the mugs from Dollar Tree. One of them says the most wonderful time of the year. Both of them are the same cups. And on the other side, it says home for the holidays. So exact same cups, just got them turned different ways. Then we have two packs of cocoa that sits behind the coffee mugs. We got it embellished with some, I can't think, but you see the embellishments. Then I have two oven mitts that says trying to earn brownie points. So what other way than to put some brownie mix in there? And then I embellished it with some pine cones, some snowflakes, and some berries. This is my favorite concept. The tray and everything in there except the cocoa came from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, let's move on to the next one. This is my favorite one. Let's lay it down. The next one, everything came from Dollar Tree, and we're going to explain what's in this basket. A very simple basket, everything except the oven mitts, and the oven mitts came from me. So I have some the little teddy bear that came from Dollar Tree, the little spoon that came from Dollar General. It says, I just want to bake stuff and watch Christmas movies. The bear is holding that. In the little container, I have some icing. So we gave them a little cookie container to put their stuff in. And it has some Martha White chocolate chip muffin mix. And that's that concept. Along with the little sleigh that came from Dollar Tree. I think it's cute. I'm going to go back and embellish it with those red and gold beads that we got from Dollar Tree and make it a little bit more cuter. In this concept right here, we got the oven mitts. It says, we whisk you a Merry Christmas. So I added a little whisk for a little decoration. It is an ornament that they can hang on the tree. We got the little elf back there. Behind the elf, we got some icing. And then we have the funfetti cookie mix along with the spatula. And then if you turn it around, I'm not quite through with this one, guys. But since I was doing it, I wanted to include it because I'm trying to make some videos. So I'm going to see my daughter in Chattanooga. So I want to enjoy a lot of time with her. And I want to be recording videos. So I'm pre-recording videos so I can upload them. But that's the basket. In the back, it got a little gingerbread ointment and the spatula. And we're going to put some more beads around here with a little bit more snow. But that's that concept right there. That's 3 quick, easy concepts that you can make to put on your table to bring you in a little revenue. And these are 3 that I created that I want to share with y'all. I'm going to have to, that one's not packed down or nothing. But when I get the bows and the bags on there, I'll come back and show you all. But I just wanted to share with y'all my 3 concepts. Let's bring this a little closer so you can see. He's cutesy and a little whisk right there. So that's 1. We got the snow, the sled, and that's concept number 2. And then my favorite right here is this flat concept with all the goodies in it. That's concept number 3. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking time out your day to watch Little Old Me and see my concepts that I have created. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're right there, go ahead and hit that notification bell. But make sure that it is to all because of YouTube tries to play tricks on you. I told you it'll go to personal instead of all, so make sure it's at all so you get all my videos when I upload them. Give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there to others. Drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment so I can come back to your channel and support you. YouTube likes to see a lot of interaction, so please do one of those things for me, and thank you. And until my next video, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. And until my next video, you all be blessed. Bye, guys.